So which customization style do you prefer for a classic Volkswagen Beetle? Guys, the world of Beetle customization is absolutely mind-blowing. From period perfect restorations that'll make you think you've traveled back to the 60s to wild Baja bugs that can conquer deserts, the possibilities are endless. We're talking about transforming these iconic little cars into everything from sleek street machines to rugged off-road beasts. Some of these builds will blow your mind, and others might even spark a heated debate. But that's what makes the Beetle community so awesome, right? I picked out 5 customization styles that I think really show off what's possible with these beloved bugs. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be itching to get out to your garage and start wrenching on your own Beetle project. So let's dive into these incredible customization styles and see which one gets your engine revving. Number 1, vintage restoration. First up, we've got the vintage restoration. This is for all you purists out there. We're talking about period correct paint, original upholstery, and even those tiny details like the correct headlight bulbs or wiper blades. It's about bringing that Beetle back to exactly how it looked rolling off the assembly line in Wolfsburg. Vintage restoration is a labor of love, no doubt about it. The hours spent hunting down original parts, the meticulous attention to detail, it's not for the faint of heart. But when you see a perfectly restored classic Beetle, it's like a time machine on wheels. Number 2, modern upgrade. Next up, we've got the modern upgrade. This is for all of those who love the classic Beetle look, but want some 21st century comforts. Imagine a 72 Super Beetle with a fuel-injected engine swap, disc brakes, and a modern suspension. Inside, you might find leather seats, air conditioning, and even a touchscreen stereo system cleverly integrated into the dash. It's the best of both worlds. Classic style with modern reliability and features. Perfect for daily driving or long road trips. Number 3, rat rod style. Now here's where things get interesting. The rat rod Beetle. This style is about embracing the wear and tear, the patina, the history of the car. Picture a 58 Beetle with a weathered body, slammed to the ground, sitting on wide steel wheels with a hopped up engine poking out the back. Rat rod Beetles are all about attitude. They're not trying to be pretty in the conventional sense, they're going for cool and edgy. It's a style that says, yeah, I've been around the block a few times and I've got the scars to prove it. Number 4, Baja Bug conversion. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're going off-road with the Baja Bug conversion. This style turns your gentle Beetle into a desert-conquering beast. We're talking cut fenders, massive tires, long travel suspension, and a reinforced chassis ready to take on any terrain. The Baja Bug style originated in Southern California in the 1960s, where gearheads wanted to race their Beetles in the desert. It's a testament to the versatility of the Beetle platform. These builds are all about function over form, but there's something undeniably cool about a bug that can blast across the sand dunes or crawl over rocky trails. Number 5, cow look. Last but not least, we've got the cow look. This style came out of California in the 60s and 70s, and it's about clean lines and subtle performance. Think of the 65 Beetle with all the chrome removed, body-colored bumpers, lowered suspension, and wider wheels tucked neatly under the fenders. The cow look is about making the Beetle look sleeker and sportier without straying too far from the original design. These builds often feature hotted-up engines, but you'd never know it from the outside. It's a style that whispers rather than shouts, you know? So there you have it, folks. 5 awesome ways to customize your Volkswagen Beetle. Whether you're into period-correct restorations, modern performance, rugged rat rods, off-road beasts, or sleek California cruisers, there's a Beetle bug style for everyone. Now, I'm dying to know, which of these styles speaks to you? Are you a vintage purist, or do you prefer a bug with a modern twist? Maybe you're dreaming of bombing through the desert in a Baja bug. Whatever your preference, drop it in the comments below. And if you got a custom Beetle of your own, share your story with me. I never get tired of hearing about the incredible journeys people have had with these amazing little cars. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week for more classic Volkswagen goodness. Keep those bugs buzzing.